Hey guys, Eric here from Just Hockey Cards. Today we're going to open a Black Diamond 2014-15 box. Let's get started. Fuck. Oh shit. I made a hole in the box. And this time we have a cameraman. Last time I was filming myself. But Miguel was here, the helper. Now we have a cameraman named Matthew. Go Miguel, go get it. So we got, wait, how many cards per pack? 5 cards per pack with how many packs? 6, yeah. Okay. First pack. Let's just start by the base cards. They're pretty cool. Just they're flashy, I guess. They're different, and there's like you can feel the player, like the Tyler Toffoli, Ben Scrivens, Artis Urbe. What the? Is it a numbered card? Yeah, it's 1995-96. It's cool, I guess. Wayne Simmons. And Sean Monahan. Second pack. Perfect opening, whatever thing. Thingamabobber. Patrick Sharp. Marian Hossa. Glenn Murray. 7 and 8, 07 and 08 card, Glenn Murray, whatever. Mike Green and Jay Bouwmeester. This product is not the best, but like there's not much hits. I don't know. Jonathan Huberdeau, Ryan Callahan, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Daniel, oh my god, Daniel Sedin, and Jordan Eberle. Every freaking video we pull a freaking Sedin sister. Braden Holtby, Marc-Andre Fleury, the Flower, Milan Lucic, Alex Peterangelo. People say Pietrangelo or Pietrangelo, whatever. Alex Pietrangelo and Tyler Ennis, sorry. Can we pull yeah, we can pull jerseys, right? Jersey cards. We didn't get any. Whoa. Brian Bickle, Valtteri Filppula. Mike Modano. That's why I said whoa earlier. Mike Modano. Holy beep. Mike Smith. And Pascal Dupuis. 1 pack to go. Jesus. Mother of God. David Perron with Edmonton. Ryan O'Reilly, go on. You guys don't get it. Derek Stepan, Travis Zajac, and Eric Stahl. So technically, base cards are pretty good. They're flashy and they're like a different texture, but there's not much hits. Just like the old players like Mike Modano. But you got Mike Modano, Miguel, so that's pretty good. So, hope you liked it. Leave a like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.